Site logos are a really great way of putting your brand image out there. It makes your website look more professional and also creates a sense of brand identity for your website. But have you ever noticed right at the top next to the address bar, right here, websites also have a tiny little circle with a logo in there? Well, it has a lot of different names, but some people like to call it favicons, and that stands for favorite icon. And it's just the little icon from your brand that sits in the address bar and just gives you that extra level of brand identity. Now, if you're building a WordPress website, straight out of the box, you will have an automatic favicon placed in there, and that will be the WordPress logo. Now, a lot of people forget to change this, and whenever you go onto a website, you can then see the WordPress logo at the top, and it really stops your website from looking that professional as it can be. So what we're going to do in this quick tutorial is show you how to change that favicon, upload your own logo, and see how it looks on the front end. So let's jump in. So here's our website, and I'll show you where the favicon is. So you can see here right at the top, there's a little circle with a W in it. Now this is the favicon. Because we haven't set one yet, it will be as a WordPress favicon as standard. So let's look at changing that together. So we're going to come to Customize, and then we're going to come to Site Identity. And here we can change our site title, our tagline as well. So we're making a pod website here, so let's just put PODTech. And in the tagline, we'll put building digital capacity. Next, we're going to put our site icon. So we click this here, and we're going to load our logo to our dashboard here. So here's our logo. Let's drag it in, and we're just going to put in the alt text here, PODTech logo. The alt text is basically what we use to tell Google what this image is about. So because this is a PODTech logo, we need to put PODTech logo in our alt image. Select. And now it's going to ask us to crop it square, but I've already made the logo square in advance, so we can either skip or crop image. And as you can see here now, it will appear in the tab next to the address bar. So we just click Publish, and if we open our website in private mode, we can now see our logo appears at the top here. And that's how you set up a favicon.